All right, YouTubes. This is my first day off in like 38 days. It is Veterans Day today. I want to say thank you to all the vets out there for your service. Oh, thank you so much. And this guy's going to be turning right here. That's cool. We'll go around. And we're going to take a little ride today. I'm going to do some filming. And I got the old GoPro 3 up there. A little story about that GoPro. The wife got me that for Christmas years ago. And I really started digging it when we'd go on vacation and I would film the kids snorkeling when the kids were little. And I really like the way it works underwater, the GoPro filming. For snorkeling, it works really well. And so I liked it. But then I took that GoPro, I started filming motorcycle stuff. And then in 2018, I took it on the Oregon run. Just great motorcycle camp out in Oregon, where you tour Oregon. And we were in eastern Oregon. It got super hot. So at the gas stations, you know, as we were riding all day long at the gas stations, I'd go find the garden hose and stick it over my head to cool off. And I'd throw some water in my helmet. It'd be like 100 degrees out there. And I got the GoPro wet and it quit working. I was able to salvage the memory card out of it and make a video. And there is a video on my channel in the playlist from the Oregon Run 2018 if you want to check it out. And I figured the GoPro was dead. I figured I killed it. So I left it in the garage for like 2 years. And I had upgraded, bought a GoPro 6. And last year during COVID, I figured, what the heck, let's charge up a battery and throw a battery in there and see what happens. And the darn thing came back to life, and it's back alive. And I'm gonna filming me while I'm riding, and we'll get some on the camera. Maybe we can see a difference in the quality. Maybe there's not. Who knows? And that's what we're getting into today. And it's a gorgeous November day up here in NorCal. It's going to be mid-70s. That's right, mid-70s. We're cruising the coast, and we're going to get up in the hills, the whole deal. And I'll bring you guys along. The overview of today's ride. I wanted to show you guys that most people come up here and ride the coast, but you get off the coast and get up into the hills off the water. There are some spectacular roads and views, and I want to show you guys that. This is an overview of today's ride. Everywhere we went from start to finish, and it just got spectacular. So I'll try and film it with my iPhone also. San Francisco, clear as a bell. Bay Bridge, Oakland, come down the peninsula, South City, Redwood City, into Palo Alto, Stanford University, on down the 101 right there, Moffett Field, and on into San Jose. Alright, we got San Francisco right there. And we got the Bay Bridge going across to Oakland.